Danny here with QuestionPro. Have you ever wondered how you're going to make sense of a ton of survey questions that are open-ended? Well, I have a tool for you, and it's called sentiment analysis. Now, depending on the kind of survey software that you use, you might or might not have access to this, but it's essentially an AI tool that categorizes text data into positive, negative, or neutral sentiments. Now, let's say you've collected a ton of feedback from a bunch of your customers or audience, and you don't necessarily want to go through every single comment to understand what it is that people are saying about your product. Sentiment analysis is going to do the heavy lifting for you. So how does it work? The AI is going to scan through all of the text and detect the sentiment behind each response. So whether someone is raving about your product, giving a neutral update, or maybe venting about a bad experience, AI is going to group all the responses accordingly. In the end, you'll know what's working well, what's kind of meh, what needs improvement, all without having to spend hours analyzing that data yourself. This means that you can quickly get a feel for how people are feeling about your content, service, or product. Sentiment analysis is a pretty big game changer, especially for businesses, marketers, and researchers, since it gives you a better understanding of your audience and lets you have better data-backed decisions. So next time you're drowning in a ton of feedback, let AI do the work for you and turn that data into actionable insights. I hope this tip was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment so I could do my own sentiment analysis, and I'll see you in the next one.